everyone, welcome back to my channel Jan Pedagogy. Today we are going to see about lesson 1 fun they had in English for class 9 students. Okay, let's move to the video. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Question number 1. How old are Margie and Tommy? Answer. Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Answer. Margie wrote in a diary, "Today, Tommy found a real book." Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer. No, Margie had never seen a book before. Question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? The things about the book that she found strange were: the pages of the book were yellow and crinkly. The words stood still instead of moving. When they turned back to the previous page, it still had the same words on it that it had when they first read it. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? Answer. I think the telebook must be a book that gets displayed on the screen of the television. Question number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer. Margie's school was next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmates. Question number 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Margie and Tommy learnt geography, history and arithmetic. Rome letter 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Question number 1. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It refers to the books. What is it being compared with by the speaker? The paperback book is being compared with the telebooks by the speaker. Question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They refers to the students centuries ago. 2. What does the regular mean here? Regular means the usual for the people in 2157. Here, regular teacher means mechanical teacher. 3. What is it contrasted with? The mechanical teacher is contrasted with humans as teacher of earlier times. Rome letter 3. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Question 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. The mechanical teachers had big screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. The children were taught through computer and television screens. They did not have humans as teachers. Why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? Answer. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher of Margie was not functioning properly. It kept giving Margie geography test and Margie was performing worse every time. Margie's mother was concerned and thus sent for the county inspector. Question number 3. What did he do? Answer. The county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the mechanical teacher apart from her. Then he fixed the mechanical teacher. He told Margie's mother that the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick and that he has slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer. Margie was doing badly in geography because the questions that were displayed on the screen of the mechanical teacher were too quick for her age. The county inspector slowed its speed to an average 10-year level so that Margie would be able to perform satisfactorily. Question number 5. What did once happen to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's teacher had to be taken away altogether for a month as the history sector had blanked out completely. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because Margie's mother believed that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy says that the old kind of school had special buildings. All the kids went to that building for studying. Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. He tells Margie that the old kind of teachers were humans instead of machines. The human teacher would educate the boys and girls and give them homework and ask questions. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Question number 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer. The main feature of the mechanical teacher that Margie and Tommy have are: the mechanical teachers have big black screens on which lessons are displayed and questions are asked. The students need to put their homework and test papers in a slot that is present in the mechanical teacher. The students write answers in a punch code and mechanical teacher calculates the results right away. The main features of the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have are: the schools are there in the homes. For Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. The students don't have classmates. They study subjects like arithmetic, history, geography, etc. The mechanical teacher would turn on at the same time every day except on the weekends. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Margie hated school because she felt it boring. The mechanical teacher started the class at the same time regularly. The Margie's mechanical teacher was giving a test after test on geography and she was performing badly. Margie also did not like inserting homework and test papers in a slot on the mechanical teacher. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun because it would have had kids from various places in the neighborhood. It would have been so interesting to sit together in the classroom and leave the school together at the end of the day. All the kids learned the same things so they could help each other in studies and homework. Question number 3. Do you agree with the Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, I will agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. In the story, the schools are in the students' homes. They give no space for interaction between students. Studying from the screen and taking up tests sounds boring. Inserting homework and test papers in a slot on a mechanical teacher every day is monotonous. Writing answers in punch codes is even more draining. Learning together in a class gives students a wider view of the people. Students also get familiar with others and learn how to interact and socialize. Getting taught by human teachers is way more dynamic than being taught by a machine. If there is any issue with any lesson or concept, the student can ask the human teacher then and there. But mechanical teachers are programmed with a certain lesson and concept for a particular day. During the time when the student solves homework, he or she can get help from the classmates. That's how the schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. Okay children, we see the remaining part of the book exercise in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Priyadarshini.